Are hybrid vehicles more difficult to maintain? Not at all. Hybrids follow the same maintenance schedule as non-hybrids, and under certain circumstances, their design can actually help them to deliver less wear and tear than non-hybrids, as well as fewer replacement parts. This is because of unique hybrid components like the electric motor, which works alongside the gasoline engine to produce a shared pool of power, and the electronic braking systems, which can decelerate the vehicle without the use of the brakes, helping to extend the life of the brake pads and rotors. Plus, the hybrid battery is designed to last the life of the vehicle. So even though it's a pretty major component, it's no more prone to replacement than any other major component that's designed to last the life of the vehicle, like an engine or transmission. These vehicles also come with longer hybrid-specific warranties, as well as Toyota's reputation for quality, durability, and reliability, and its unrivaled experience designing world-class hybrids. Simply put, these vehicles help deliver peace of mind year after year.